Just a short video to show you the condition of this Miele Cat and Dog TT500 vacuum cleaner. Now the actual vacuum cleaner does work. I'll show it working now. On minimum. As you know, these are very powerful. The fault is the lid. Don't know if you can see here, the clippers broke. That side's on, but this side's, the clipper snapped off. So it's very hard to keep the lid shut. So you could use it and just put a bit of tape here and here to hold it closed, or you could change that. As you can see, it's not shutting there. Comes with no tools. It is literally just this. So there's no tools, no hose, nothing like that. It does have used scratch marks all over because it is a used item. But it does actually work. It is just that clip. Any questions, please ask. Thank you.